So this was the activity diagram we have discussed. In fact, it is a unified modeling language activity model. So here the basic idea is to illustrate how this software transforms, that is input is a sugar level, right, to a sequence of commands, so that an insulin pump could take a decision. So what sort of insulins to be injected to a patient? So you could see what all the various factors that matters in the activity. So we have a sensor to sense the blood. So I analyze sensor reading. So analyze sensor reading, basic objective is to identify the blood sugar level. So once the blood sugar level is identified, so how much insulin has to be computed, that is to be injected to the patient, so that is being calculated. So compute insulin is one of the class over here. So based on that, insulin dose is being calculated. Again, this is one of the model of an activity model. So log is nothing but a data. So how much insulin has been inserted to a patient, so that will be recorded in a log file, and it will be back again stored in insulin log. So it's same as if like a small database or a file. So you compute the pump commands. So the flow from pump data to the insulin pump, it is a target where it is achieved the major target of embedded computing systems. So let me move to the patient information system for mental health care system, that is MSCPMS. So basically it consists of a database. Main requirement of this MSCPMS is into the small clinics. In fact, it uses, as I said, the database of a patient information. This database may interact and exchange data with other clinical information system that is being connected to the subnets. So this is a diagram that illustrates the organization of this MHCPMS. So overall goals of this medical system, that's mental health care patient management system. So patient management system means you are trying to manage the patients who are with mental health. So basic goals to generate management information. So that could help the service manager, that is maybe a doctors, to assess or to give a good performance against the local and government targets. And maybe one more goal, it is to provide a good medical staff with timely information to support So those who are joining without register number and name, at least you need to provide the register number. So let me continue. So I could see few students not representing with the register number. Okay, well, there are few of the key features of this system. What is this healthcare project management system? So this helps you in individual care management. So these are all the key features. So it helps you in individual care management, monitoring of the patients. So it might help in generating the reports. So what could be the concerns to this particular product? So that is basic objective of this MHC PSC system when we have discussed these test cases. So whether it is having a usability, privacy, or a security, so that has to be discussed with respect to the MSc PMS concerns. So with respect to the privacy, so we should ensure that the patient information is confidential and should not be disclosed to the person who is unauthorized to it. So even with respect to the safety, you have to keep care of it. So the third test case is a weather forecasting system. So we have discussed the case study 3. In the case of a weather forecast system, it is a sensor based data collection system. So what could be the objective? The object is to collect the data from a set of sensors, and you need to process that data to give the result. The key requirement maybe in this case is the reliability, how much reliable the output is, and how to maintain that particular product. So the name is Wilderness Weather Station. So theoretical part of the weather station you need to follow. So weather station environment. In the case of weather station environment, you could see the various kind of systems. Is it audible? Okay, fine. Let us wind up with this weather forecasting system so that at least we could move to the few of the models. So basically, in this diagram, you could see few of the systems that is being designated as weather station, database, and maintenance. So maintenance is with respect to the hardware device. So in the case of medical system, you know that privacy is an important system. That is, a privacy is a critical systems. So the weather station, it is responsible for collecting the weather data. So maybe some initial processing may be required at the startup of this weather station system and transmitting few of the data to the database. So here the database management usually collects the data from the weather station hardware device, and it processes that particular data. It processes and analyzes that particular data form that can be retrieved by the other systems. So overall, I would say this system as a weather forecasting system. It is a weather forecasting system. And what is that particular station maintenance system? Station maintenance, it can communicate by satellite with all the collected data of the weather station to monitor uh, the characteristics or the health of these systems. So we can update this embedded software into this system. So in fact, this is also a software connected with the hardware, same as if like insulin pump, but the objectives are different here. So basic objective of this embedded systems is to remotely control the wilderness. That is based on the different situation, how do you control the weather systems?